Do you like avocado and have already tried guacamole, toast, and other exciting recipes from that versatile fruit? Then it's time to taste avocado tea. We all know that avocado is the only fruit loaded with essential fatty acids, but the fruit's pit is just a little behind. The seed is a powerhouse of vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. Stay on to know more about its healing benefits. Hello and welcome to my channel, where we explore the incredible healing properties of natural ingredients. In today's video, we will be uncovering the secret tea that relieves back and joint pains naturally. Avocado tea. Avocado is not only a delicious and nutritious fruit, but also a powerful remedy for relieving discomfort in your back and joints. Before we move on, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, click on the bell, and turn on the notifications so you will not miss the new video upload every week. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids. These fats help reduce inflammation in the body and support joint health. Consuming avocado regularly may alleviate joint pain and stiffness. Avocado also is a nutritional powerhouse loaded with vitamins and minerals. It contains essential vitamins C, E, potassium, and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining healthy bones and joints. They are rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants can protect your joints and alleviate inflammation, relieving pain. Avocado contains phytochemicals with anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help reduce inflammation, often associated with back and joint pain. Drinking avocado tea can provide a natural and gentle way to soothe inflammation. The healthy fats in avocados can act as natural lubricants for your joints, improving their mobility and reducing friction. Regular consumption of avocado tea may help maintain joint flexibility and ease discomfort. Avocado tea can help relax tense muscles, promoting flexibility and reducing muscle-related back and joint pain. The combination of nutrients and anti-inflammatory properties in avocados can support muscle relaxation and recovery. Apart from consuming avocado, you can also benefit from its pain-relieving properties through topical application. Avocado oil, rich in healthy fats, can be massaged into the affected areas to naturally soothe back and joint pains. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for reducing strain on your back and joints. With its high fiber and nutritional fat content, avocado can help you feel fuller for longer, supporting healthy weight management and potentially alleviating pressure on your joints. We can enjoy avocado tea in various ways. You can drink it hot and cold or freeze it into ice cubes for a refreshing twist. You can also experiment with adding lemon juice, ginger, or other herbs and spices to enhance the flavor and benefits. While avocado tea can provide natural relief for back and joint pains, it's important to remember that a healthcare professional should evaluate persistent or severe pain. They can give a proper diagnosis and guide you on the best treatment options for your specific condition. We hope you found this exploration of avocado tea's pain-relieving properties enlightening. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notifications to my channel for more exciting discoveries in the world of natural remedies. Embrace the power of avocado for natural relief from back and joint pains. Stay healthy and vibrant. We'll see you in the following video.